Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account, then on the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Then click on Shipping and Delivery. Click on this icon right here to manage your shipping rates. You can edit here both your domestic and international rates by clicking on this three-dot icon, then click Edit Rate. To add a new rate, click on Add Rate down here. And then once you finish, just click on the Save button down here. You can also edit your expected delivery dates right here. You can also choose to set up local deliveries where you can choose to deliver directly to your customers from your location. Here, you can also set up pickups where the customer can pick up their orders from your location. Delivery customizations is where you can customize what customers see during checkout. Save the packages is where you add the size of the box or package where you will be putting your orders in. You can add other sizes by clicking on Add Package. This is considered when calculating shipping rates. You may also enable third-party calculated rates here. You can also add packing slip template here. And lastly, you can add an email as a custom order fulfillment. And that is how you can set up shipping on Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.